Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today guys I will show with you how to connect Turtle Beach Stealth 500 to PS5 Bluetooth. So guys, this is the PS5 as you can see here, and this is Turtle Beach. To connect this guys, all you have to do, connect the step 1, connect wireless transmitter to the USB port from here, USB port on the PlayStation or PC. After that guys, powered on headset, powered on your headset from here. And after that guys, only this is the third step, easy to do. Wait for headset and USB wireless transmit to pair and successfully connect is indicated by solid green LED on USB wireless transmitter. This is how you can do guys. This is steps. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you on other videos soon. Any question down below in the comment and I will answer your question guys. Thanks for watching this video.